Here is my completely automated N-scale layout. It's built on the size of platform that will fit in a Rokuhan Z-scale briefcase, but you don't have to have a briefcase if you don't want to travel. But it's nice, compact, it'll fit on an end table in your living room, and like I say, it's fully automatic. You don't have to lift a finger, you just turn it on. This is set up now as a trolley line, and I'm running 2 trolleys with 1 transformer on the same circle and running them independently. I have it alternating the trains, so only one runs around the circle at a time, and it switches the turnouts, parks one, and runs the other. Let's see how it runs. Reach over the back and turn it on. And there it goes. The trolley goes around and the other trolley comes out. Notice it has a tan roof. It stops, a diode shuts it off in the track, and this one comes back around. The switches are completely automatic. When that one stops, it checks to see if the other one wants to go. It's not fully loaded yet, so this one makes the second pass. These are brand new Bachmann thrill trolleys. You can hear the switches click. You can set the timers and the speed so that you can have virtually any pattern, but they alternate in direction and in train. The buildings are by Downtown Deco. They're hydrocal castings with very good detail, and the station is from Atlas. The track is Cato. It's the unit track that has the attractive ballast and is very precise in its radius, particularly for the tight radius we have here, 6 inches. And there goes the little gray top, tan top trolley. Now I'll show you what it looks like from behind. Here's the back side showing the built-in power pack, and here comes the train around the loop. It stops on the block here. The position of the turnouts is indicated by the green and red lights, and the status of the blocks is indicated by these 2 LEDs. There's an LED over here indicating that 12 volts DC is being provided to the Stapleton block detectors, and this timer right here reverses the polarity of the track so that the train will go in both directions. When this is going in one direction, there's a little LED on under here, and when that reverses, that LED goes out. So you can pretty well watch the LEDs here and know what the system is doing. When the blocks indicate that the next trolley needs to go, a relay is thrown here, which trips a Stapleton switch controller, which allows me to have the lights indicating the status of the switches, because you can't see them too well from this side of the mountain. So when the trolley comes around here, stops, the switches power this track, but this is not a visible train, so it goes back to that as soon as this guy parks, the polarity has shifted, and so this will run. There's a diode right here that breaks, shuts it off right there. You see the car stopped. But when the polarity shifts, the electricity will go through the diode in the other direction and drive the trolley out. And that'll only occur when this train is stopped on the block signal. So that's the interior workings. Pretty technical, and you don't have to do a thing, but just watch it go around. And everything is up top, so you can see all of the electronics. If you want to change anything, like the timing of the reversing polarity, it's all right here visible. You don't have to crawl underneath like changing the oil in your car. It's a fun little layout, and it doesn't take any work at all. Thank you for watching.